So today in this video, we're out in Orange Beach at Mariner Lakes, and we're going to take a look at one of my new listings. So stick around so you can see all the gorgeous amenities here and how close we are to the beach. So welcome to our channel. If this is your first time to our channel, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you'll be notified each time Kayla and I release a new video. I'm Rita Sessions, along with my partner Kayla Robinson. We're realtors with Exit Navigator Realty, making your coastal living dreams a reality. So if you're thinking about moving to the Gulf Coast of Alabama, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, and let us help you make your move to coastal Alabama a smooth one. Hey, are you looking for a house that comes with a golf cart? Then I have you covered. Now we're going to take a look at this gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in this gated community in Orange Beach. Thank you for joining me today in a tour of our new listing. Remember, if you're looking for a place on the Gulf Coast, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. And we can't end this video without taking a look at the beautiful sandy beaches at the Gulf of Mexico.